Hello everyone and welcome back to Quick Helper. Today I'll show you how to hide TikTok reposts on your device, whether you're using iPhone or Android phone. To hide TikTok reposts, first you have to open your TikTok application and log into your account. After that, repost a video on TikTok, click the share icon, and then tap repost. Then to view the videos you've reposted, go to your profile and look for the repost button. However, there isn't an option to hide reposted videos directly. Here's what you can try. Tap the three lines in the top right corner, then go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down to find the Privacy section. If there's a repost option, turn it off. Note that this feature may not be available in all countries or regions, or it is only available on selected devices for a chosen beta tester only. Now, if the feature isn't available in your country, you can report the problem to TikTok's customer support team. Go to Settings and Privacy, then Report a Problem, describe the issue, and submit the report, including any screenshots or videos as evidence. And there you have it. That's how you hide your TikTok repost. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.